Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. So you can see the base dimension here, outer dia 66 and 26 mm. The length is 70 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select extruded boss, select the right plane, create circle, give the dimensions, (66 and 26 mm). Select line, select this line, give the vertical constraint. So the distance is 70. So you can mirror these lines. Select 3 lines, mirror entities, mirror about center axis. Trim the unwanted lines. So that's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. So the overall length is 62 mm. Here select mid plane 62. So next there is a 2 plates, that dimension is 50 and pitch is 124 mm. For that select the front plane, select the right plane, sketch, select here corner rectangle, give the dimensions, this is 14 mm and the pitch is 124. Give the constraints here. And from the center we need to dimension 124 by 2. So that's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select extruded boss. Here select mid plane, 50 mm. Select the fillet here, 10 mm is okay. Select the 4 edges. Next select this surface, sketch, the diameter is 20 and distance is 10 mm. Select circle, create one circle, give the dimension 20 mm, select line, create line like this, trim this line, convert entities, select this circle, okay, trim the unwanted lines, trim this also, create circle here, give the dimension, diameter 10 mm and distance here to here 10, give the vertical constraint here, okay. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, the thickness is 10 mm, okay. Next there is a cutout is there, that is depth 12 mm and width is 26 mm, from the side 20 mm. For that select the front plane, sketch, create one rectangle here, give the dimensions, this is 26 mm, from the side 20 mm and depth is 12 mm. Finish sketch, select here extruded cut, here select mid plane, give the dimension 66 mm. Next there is a one hole center, dia 10, finish sketch, select extruded cut, here we can select up to next. Next select this surface, sketch, give the dimensions, the diameter is 12 mm, pitch is 20 and 94 mm. So give the constraints here, select all circles, give the equal constraint, here give the horizontal constraint, vertical constraint, So here to here the dimension is 10 mm. So we need to give one more constraint here. Select this and this. That's it, fully constrained. So finish sketch, extruded cut, here select, up to next, okay. Control 7. So we can assign the material here. Polished aluminum. Go to edit appearances. So assign some color here. So we can highlight the machining faces. Here select faces. So we can assign some other color here. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.